Lana with UAS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the installation of the brand new Stinger Horizon 10. Using the UAS waterproof dash kit specifically designed for the Polaris slingshot.
So what we have here is the UAS patented dash kit that basically has a shroud that covers the non-weather resistant waterproof portion of the Horizon 10 Stinger radio. So even though the display itself is waterproof, water resistant, weather resistant, the brain is not. So what we did is created a dash kit. It's made out of solid aluminum and it's powder coated. And basically what it does, it mounts the brain inside, underneath, and covers it from the elements. So basically when this is installed, and this is your thing, the dash itself, it has a leak. A lot of people have the windshield mount. Water can get in there and it could get on your brain and you're done. What we did is we designed it like this to where it's covered. The two screws that hold the radio are the M5x10. They are the radio chassis screws. We like to mount the brain somewhere in the middle. So even though you can mount it in the back or in the front, somewhere in the middle gives you the best protection. It still gives you heat dissipation in the front, and then you can still mount your different harnesses in the back. Okay, so then the radio itself comes with this plastic piece right here. You're going to use 4 of the M3x6 screws, and they're actually Allen. And they go on here. All 4 corners go in. This plastic piece will only go in one way. So if you have it upside down, it won't sit flush. So it goes in one way. These 4 screws hold it. Okay? So see this hole right here? We'll come back to this hole. Now, the display. It has this plastic piece. This little screw, again, comes with the radio. It is the M2.6 by 6.5. And that's where this screw goes right here. You want to leave the top 4 screw holes open, and then you want to fill in the bottom 3 on each side. These have already been filled in with the waterproof plugs. It comes with 10 of them. You're going to use 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to fill this in. This is very important because if you don't do this, obviously when it rains or you have water intrusion, it will leak down and go inside these holes. You want to cover the bottom 6, leave the top 4 open. Now, this bracket also comes with the radio. Basically, you're going to set it like this. This is the top of the radio. This is the bottom. You're going to set it like this. You're going to put 4 screws in right here at the top. Okay? So the 4 screws that you're going to use are the M4x10. And that's going to hold the bracket to the face. All right? Now, this does have different settings. So if you want to remove these side screws right here, you can tilt the screen backward and forward. If for some reason you want to mount your radio higher, you can literally mount it like this. You could slide this down and mount it towards the bottom. Then the radio will sit way above your area if you like. Setting it right here on a 2020 makes it completely cover the entire dash, and it looks like it belongs there. So it's dead smack in the middle, not hanging up, not hanging down. However, if you like to do that, you can. All right, so now I told you we're going back to this hole. This rubber grommet comes with our dash kit, and it has a little star in the middle of it. You're going to want to take a razor or a steak knife and literally just poke the cross out of it. You'll feed this plug into this grommet, and then you'll stick this plug in, and you'll actually install this grommet like this into the hole. Once the grommet's in the hole like this, now the radio, again, this mounts to here, so this clicks over, it goes inside, and then it clicks over. So that's how this sits, okay? This will already be mounted to this, so we'll show you the actual placement of where it goes. So it's going to end up sitting right here. And this is what it should look like when it's done. Okay? So it does have a little space from the dash because on different years and different models of 2020 plus slingshots, they have these covers, and these covers come out. So this is what's needed for the spacing. But again, this unit will be waterproof, and this back here, now the brain will be, because it's inside this dash kit. All right. So this dash kit is also available for your 17 to 19. And it looks very similar to this, just slightly different shape. We also have it for the 15 to 16 and a half that has the start button and 4 switch locations. When you do it on the 15 to 16 and a half, you're actually going to mount the radio higher, so you have access to those 4 switches and the start button. Some people are actually taking and buying the 17 to 19 dash kit and putting it in a 15 to 16 and a half, and then just relocating the start button and the switches, or utilizing the 4 built-in switches in the radio for these 4 switches, and then just moving the start button down like a 17 or on the side of the slingshot. So again, this is UAS. We have our dash kit that is specifically designed for the Stinger Horizon 10 radio, which is a weather resistant unit. And then it makes the brain more weather resistant also, because it's encapsulated within this shield. All right, appreciate it.